Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a unboxing of this Magic Mill 10 tray dehydrator. Now if you've been on my channel for a while, this is something I normally don't do a review on because it's an appliance, not a tool. But I'm guessing a lot of people on this channel eat beef jerky. That's why. I'm not getting paid to do this. I did not get this for free. This is not a promotion. I bought this on Amazon on a lightning deal. And I want something better. And I'm going to show you really quick what I did have. And this is what I started out with. These are very common dehydrators. This one was a $20 unit I bought from Aldi many years ago. They're available all over. The problem with this one is that the heat doesn't distribute evenly. You always got to rotate the trays, the top down on the bottom, and continue to rotate them because it just doesn't dry evenly. But for 20 bucks, what to expect. So I was getting a lot of it, and I decided it's time to buy a better unit. All right, let's get back to the Magic Mill. When I was looking at these, I looked at quite a few of them, and this Magic Mill, of all the brands that look like, seemed like it was the best unit available, but not cheap. This retails right now for $219. I picked it up on a lightning deal for $179. All right, let's get to unboxing it. So the top, these, like some skewers, instructions, rack. And I know this comes with a tray. This is for making like a fruit roll-up type thing where you can do a liquid fruit and let it dry. I actually like that. Kids love that stuff. I guess the best is to tip it upside down. Here's the racks. Pads out so they don't drop on the floor. And lights on the way up here. My light disconnected. There we go. All right, got some more racks. Actually, it's fairly light, not that heavy. And if this is too much for you, too much money, look at those $20 units to start out with, and then step up to something like this, like I did. So this is just going to be an unboxing, and then we'll put in our video of actually making the beef jerky. I can't do that because out where I live, I have round works the best for beef jerky because there's little fat in it, and I have a hard time finding it. I saw it at the grocery store 6 weeks ago. I didn't pick it up. I probably should have. I could have froze it, then tested that as well. And there's all different types of beef jerky you can make, or chicken, depending on what marinade you use. Teriyaki. Make a hot putting can in it, which will be showing you that later. All right, here it is here. Got some little nits for taking out in and out. All right, so we got 10 of these racks. And these go on the 10 slots. So we have 10 of those. Now I've got skewers those came with it. And what that is for is that we put this on the top. And when we take these skewers, we also can dry that way. Now it does come with a fruit tray. Actually, three, looks like 2 fruit trays. The fruit trays we're making fruit leather, or as I call it, fruit roll up. It does come with 1 screen. Now I did buy more screens for it. This is like be doing like small stuff like blueberries, raspberries. And I did buy a pack of 10 more screens. That did not come with it, that I've paid extra for. So that is just an unboxing, guys. When I get wholesome eye brown, we'll do a demonstration. We'll get this in my kitchen. We'll do the whole marinade process and show you actually how to make really good beef jerky. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.